In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a Steam account in laptop or PC just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do, you just need to go to your Google Chrome browser, search for Steam, click on the first link over here to go to Steam website and click on the first link. Just click on the first link and you will be directly in this home page like this. What you need to do next, you need to click over here on login. Okay, you will click on login and it's gonna take you to this page over here. Scroll down, okay, just scroll down and click on create an account. Okay, just click on create an account and it's gonna take you to this page. Scroll down and put your email address here. Okay, this is my email address, and put your email address again here. Confirm your address. Okay, and scroll down, and here you need to choose your country. Okay, so choose your country. I'm gonna leave it in my country like this and select I'm not a robot. Okay, and click over here on to agree to the terms of Steam. Okay, and what you will do next, click on continue. Okay, they will send a code to my email address, and what you need to do is you need to get this code and verify your Steam account. Okay, so what you need to do next, as you can see over here, you need to check your email address to complete your account setup. Okay, so what you will do, go to your email address. Okay, and you should find new Steam account email verification. Okay, message sent to you. Click on this message and it's gonna take you to this page. As you can see, click over here on verify my email address. Okay, just click on verify my email address and it's gonna take you to this page over here. As you can see, email verified. Okay, what you need to do next, just click over here on so just close it. So what you need to do next, and what you need to do next is you just need to close this windows. Okay, and go back to your account. Okay, go back to this website, to Steam, to complete your account creation. Okay, what you will do next, you will put your Steam account name. Okay, I'm gonna put, for example, so, and choose a password, and choose a password that you will remember. So this name is not available, so I'm gonna choose one of those names that are suggested by Steam. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, and what you need to do is you need to choose password. Okay, I'm gonna put my password here. And put your password again here. And click on done. Okay, and make sure to use a password that you can remember. Okay, make it easy and simple, and also your name, make it easy and simple. Okay, I will click on done. After you finish, just click on done. And congratulations, you just created your Steam account, and it's super easy and simple. Okay, so this is your account, as you can see, and here you go. Okay, so that's how you can create Steam account on PC or laptop just in few seconds. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.